You ever wished you could just talk to your computer and have it organize your files for you? Meet FileGenie, your magical AI file assistant, built under extreme constraints, just 8 variables, and under 500 lines of code, but packed with real AI power. These were my combination for the Code Olympics challenge. This is FileGenie, a conversational file manager that understands natural language, organizes your workspaces, and even explains what's inside your folders. It's light, smart, and surprisingly human. When you start FileGenie, it greets you with a personality. It explores your folders and detects duplicates and checks if AI mode is available. So first we have to see which workspace directory do we want here. Right now I'm taking my workspace directory which is FileGenie Code Olympics, having a demo folder as well, which has some kind of documents and screenshots which I had added to showcase the functionality of FileGenie. So let's get started. So I'll just enter right now. So it will take my current directory as the input, and so we get a few information here. 10 tracked files, duplicates is none, and size of the folder. We have two modes to choose from, which is the fast mode, which is the offline mode, and smart mode, which is AI mode. So let's first explore the AI mode and then we move on to the fast mode. The AI mode does advanced analysis. Right now I have added my open AI key into the environment, and later on I'll showcase the fast mode without the open AI key. Yeah, so all my files have been semantically categorized by AI. So now we have an option to choose from the menu. We have these features. Let's talk to FileGenie and use the first mode, which is the conversational commands. So let's choose one, and we'll say organize files and let AI do its magic. Let's say organize and let the FileGenie do its magic. So now we have the option of auto organize, move files into categorized folders, and let's say yes, which is why I have added this confirmation because we are dealing with files right now, and confirmation is really needed. So I'll just say yes, and now say how the folder has changed, how the folder has been organized into code, data, demo, docs, and miscellaneous. So miscellaneous has this log file, which is temp package. Docs have these documents, PDFs and text documents, and then demo has screenshots and a test folder, followed by code, which has my code file, followed by two other files which I had in the as demo. So and in data, of course, we have the Excel and JSON file. So this works really well, organizes everything in the folder according to their content. Next up, we have quick semantic summaries. So choice 2 would give us this, having, let's increase this a bit and increase this a bit. Yeah. So it just gives you the summaries. Example, temp backup file. So it is backup started at this, completed successfully at this. So without going into the file, one can have the figure out what the files are, what the files mean, and have the quick summaries. Okay, let's continue. I'll have us, if you want to really have it quickly, we can do option number 3, which is smart organize. Fourth is to detect duplicates. Right now, I don't think we have any duplicates within our folder. So yeah, it says no duplicates in this realm. Uh, Moving on, we have fifth option as smart cleanup. So right now we have one temp file, which is a log file that might need a bit cleanup as suggested by the file Genie. So we can remove this file. This is basically a random temp file that I took. Yeah, so it gives us an option to clean that up. Moving on, we have semantic search, option number 6. So let's say report as our search query. Now it will search for report. So we have report.pdf. I'll show you here quickly. In the docs, we had this report PDF. So that's the first one that it gave. Then marketing strategy report, config. So it says that it has that document, analysis, file, and all the other reports that it thinks are reports. So this is again a very smart feature that FileGenie offers. Following 7 is the semantic relationship. So it gives us top groups. So it says that this is a report and this is a report PDF. So it's like bonded documents. Moving forward, we have analytics. It's a mini dashboard saying which type of files we have within the folder. Then quick ops 9. So this is a really fun quick operations menu. So one just has to select. Let's select a rename. So I want to rename report.pdf to and I have to add a new name here, which would be report underscore one.pdf. So now I have to confirm. I have put this confirm option everywhere because we are dealing with files which are sensitive information and it should not be lost. So it has been renamed report underscore one.pdf. So here you can see the change within the file name. So this is a very quick, gives more options to move, delete, copy, and create folder. Moving forward, we have smart suggestions. Smart suggestions based on our whole folder. So it says categorize and label files, group similar files, text documents, data files, and PDFs. So create folders separately. That would help us this. Try auto tagging and check dashboards. So it gives us the smart suggestions. Moving on, let's do the auto tagging. Let's see what auto tags we have. So FileGenie is config and code, requirements is config test code, analysis data and code, config again, hashtag config. So these are very useful tags which can help us know what's real inside a file and move into that particular folder or just see what is in the file. Helps in file management. Then 11 is a mini dashboard. 12. 12 is a mini dashboard which gives us a minimal bar dashboard analytics, total files, mode which is online right now, operations done, box where says, and duplicates found. Moving forward, we have 13. So this is a very interesting feature which gives us the details of the folder. So it says it has two files right now in the miss category, as we saw, and several subfolders, code data demo docs. Yeah, so it gives folders and folders. It's really easy to read a folder once we have a big folder. This is a very small folder, but in big scenarios we might have big folders. And lastly, we have 14th, which is the smart rename. So this is document 1, so it's a bit messy. So document underscore v1, it has renamed it. So sorry, it would be in docs file, and we can say it has been renamed document underscore version 1 or v1 from document 1, which was like this. So it has automatically renamed it. Now let's just do Control C, which we exited it, or we can also do 0 and exit it safely. Now, since our file folder got changed, let's go to our code and then go to CD code. And now let's see the offline mode. So I'll just quickly do one thing, just delete this folder. Yeah, I'll just quickly delete this. So now we don't have an OpenAI key. So I'll just choose one. Right, so it says offline because we don't have any OpenAI key in this whole thing. So let's go to smart organize. It would work based on rule based. It would work. Yeah, see, it could work in the code. And then let's see. Let's do for. So now there's no duplicates. Quick ops, etc. would still work. 11 would work based on pattern matching and rule based again. And 2 would work on same again class test, which is pattern matching and rule based. So the main aim of FileGenie, which is the file wizard, is to have offline as well as online mode. Also, one can handle the help option and get more magical commands that they can use, and they can do from this. So overall, it's a project that is meant for everyone because files are used by everyone and file management is needed by all. And since our system design has been taken into the case, because offline and online modes are both there, everybody might not have access to OpenAI key, so there is a offline option as well. Thus, FileGenie transforms chaos into clarity, and it's not just a tool; it's your AI part file companion, all built within the hackathon limits, and yet powerful enough for real use and productionizing. This is FileGenie, where magic meets minimalism. Thank you.